I've checked everywhere. It's
So unique. That's what you are. Lingerie reflecting off the mirror on the bar. Category I'm one of one. I'm the I'm number one. I'm the only one. Don't even waste your time trying to compete.
Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys. I'm wearing this top from Shein because I want pictures. Right, today's my brother's birthday. Also, I wanna wear my perfumes. So it's my brother's birthday, right? Sharp. So I just did that. Dafaga perfume is So anyway, it's my brother's birthday. So his girlfriend wants to go buy him a cake. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Ongezwa, but you can call me City Mama because I'm a mother of 3 handsome boys. If you've been here, thank you so much for the love and support. To my new service, thank you so much for joining the family. Really appreciate it. Okay, now that we've got that out of the way, it's my brother's birthday. The girlfriend wants to go buy him a cake, and I was like, let's go because I'm not doing anything. And yeah, so I was like, oh konje, I have this top and I tenga Shein and ngashooting ngayo. So hopefully I'm gonna get like nice cute pictures. Also guys, my Instagram, I'm one person who can go for a month without posting on Instagram, my feed, my stories. I neglect my Instagram so much, and I really want to grow my Instagram this year. And guys, please follow me on Instagram if you do have Instagram, because a lot of people here will usually say that, oh Sana, now you Instagram, I would follow you. But if you do have Instagram, please follow me on my Instagram. I'm Ongezwa Gianna everywhere. If you are looking for me, Ongezwa Gianna City Mom. If you go to TikTok, Ongezwa Gianna City Mom. Everywhere it's the same thing. Ongezwa Gianna City Mom Ozomtol. So please follow me on Instagram. So guys, yeah, let us go. I'm gonna carry this bag as always because I'm gonna wear black shoes, but it's just for pictures. But in Zofaga, flat. Zofaga is a flat in Zoneba your pack, but I send 30 pictures. Zoneba is a flat. So yeah, let's go. I think Nandi, are you done? Okay, she's done. Let's go. Guys, that day I forgot actually to go to a Clicks. That day was but I wanna buy it. Because I do have, but as you see, it's very lipstick, guys. This one is clear. I should not buy one because clearly ear colors will pale. But yeah, nonetheless, let's go. What else do I need? I don't need anything. All I need is scoop some this fage amans, and then that's it. I'm wearing also inwele zam seziyaguga. I'm hoping they don't show on the pictures. I'm wearing it with a jean. I'm gonna show you guys on the mirror the whole fit. Come say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog. Hi guys. This is the girlfriend for those who have forgotten or those who don't know.
It's me.
Yeah. So anyway, I say 10 minutes. Yo. Guys,
just in case you get irritated.
It's irritating, guys. The top up.
Just in case uba irritated.
I did send down as a 2 pack. I say I'm back, guys. Ila emqaleni. Oh, Sana, I'm never buying anything. I'm wearing it with this jean. These are the shoes I'm wearing, but I'll change the shoes when I'm taking pictures. I didn't know ubanding benandon the top, but Nandi ngicela uzundiphumele nebrush yami yenhloko. But yeah, this is how I look. But le top inhle ne? Cha iyahwexa guys apha emqaleni. Yo, apha emqaleni shem No. Abantu ke abanamabele amileyo bendibaxelela uba ndikunike i-boob tape zam because amabele wam awavumi. Abantu abanamabele amileyo iyasenza OOTD banxiba i-backless jika. Uyababona? Then there's me who cannot. I cannot. Like, if I had money, if there's one thing I would definitely do, Google amabele nesisu sana, do a mommy board.
Ready, let's go.
But yeah, let's go, guys. Guys, this is Jet. This dress is so cute. Love it. It's 400 rand. Ngagcinani nje ejet ndineminyaka. Unandi usizise apha inhlelo lokho. Zizawudura ngekudala. I'm shooting. Thanks, doll. Guys, here is my marcher. Come, guys, tell us this. Yeah, boom. Got my matcha. Nibuya. Niyamazi uthanda AP flavor? Uthanda chocolate. I didn't know where to go take pictures. Like, I didn't want to go to a restaurant and stuff. But Unandi uthe uyayazi le ndawo, so seza apha ke for uba ndithathe pictures. I actually got nice cute pictures, hey. Loved them. Guys, we're back home. I've changed to this comfortable dress now because I got some nice pictures. I'm gonna put them on the side here for Instagram. So yeah, see, plenty. I just need to choose. Never guys, is budget is nale foop engazi ukuthi ngizoyenza kanjani. Angathi ndingaya eTurkey bandithi amafutha bandithi ndibuye isisu sami sithe naxa ngcebile ngabikho leni yabo this yabo kube flat. Abantu mabebuza ukuthi do you have kids ndithi yes I have 3 but how yazawubonakala. Bye guys, let me find nice pictures, post them on my Instagram while I wait for Unandi to make something nice in the kitchen. Lapho birthday boy akekho ngixoxela uvuke ekseni wahamba washiya Actually, let me go pour myself a glass of wine while silinda birthday boy, because ekuseni wahamba kuyobetha u5 akekho. Bye guys. Thina sobe sicula while umakoti epheka. Oh, I can't wait till we get the kitchen, because which nonsense wahala be this so? Ngathi semthondo. Hostel ungazelaphi. Wake waye hostel wena. Yo guys, but I think this is my last vlog without a kitchen, actually. Yeah, this is my last vlog without the kitchen, guys. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Kitchen is coming, guys, very soon. I'm having a glass of wine while others cook. Jugets. Sana so and no, is stiff pop. Man, tell you why, it's not like kondo incedisa ngayo. But guys, it's not like konto engenzayo ko jugets. I just all drink my wine, and it's the fact that lo muntu esibhizi sizixayekisa ngaye akekho la. Yes, akekho la, like akekho nje. But oh, my son is doing the braai. Oh, so uthengile iChrome. Sithini siphume ke? Hayi kanje anathi uba si-braai stand.
Yabona limited ezintweni.
Sifonela uthama ezenayo. It's gonna be uzothatha ixesha.
Vele lithi sobeka xa sekufike yena anyway.
Oh. Mfonele umxele baze ne-ice. Guys, my son is gonna do the braai stand. Thina sikwazi ukwenza i-braai stand. He's gonna do it. Amaphepha, oh, not lamaplastic. Phela amaplastic sibasa ngawo la phansi. Awukho amaphepha okanye incwadi ezindala anathi wena ofundayo. Guys, uzokwenza i-braai. Like le update le ayenzi sense because I'll update you guys later when my le rami phelile na. See, yabona nje i-background yasekitchen lidonga.
Phelele lapho.
Lidonga because there is no but zobana. Couldn't tell you why, guys. Yo, I think stress njengomzimba wami. Guys, I know ukuthi my body was bound to change whether I have kids or not. I'm coming. I am coming. I'm saying my body was gonna change whether I have kids or not, but guys, my insecurities. If there's one thing you want to know, my biggest insecurity about my body, umkhaba yo ndo So, as I was saying, I feel like I'm not a fine babe anymore. I feel like I'm not a fine babe. Yeah, guys. Do you have a Hey, ude nje uvelu
uvuke uthi sengiphakathi.
uba ngemali eTurkey. Guys, mina ngigwala. I was actually talking to my friend about this other day about surgeries and stuff because she wants uyathanda ukwenza impundu but akakazenzi. So I'm like, you know what, friend, mina personally ne ngigwala. Mangathiwa manje nayi whatever amount nginiwe ne or by God's grace nivuke sendi-rich nje senginemali sengina 100k yokwenza ilipho ndimisa amabele ndithini indlela engiyigwala ngayo mna guys I will not go. I will not
because ngeni babona abantu be-recover
guys mna ngiyigwala. I have my pain tolerance, trust me. I've shared my story when I give birth. When I go to give birth, guys, 3 of my babies, they are natural birth, right sharp. I have never even shed one tear when I'm going to give birth. You will never find me screaming. You will never find me doing funny things. Every time when that pain comes, get ubona ukuthi hayi khona ke uzobona la ebusweni ukuthi hayi I will never. Hence mina, my nurses, everyone who's helping me to give birth, I'm always their favorite. Hlezi bengiphethe kahle. Uyazi why? Angihluphi. Angiscreamy, angenzi yonke into ufike yenziwe. So my pain tolerance, I know because I've obviously given natural birth, you know, and bahlezi ngize ngibuzwa amanesi ukuthi sisi, are you sure you are in pain? I'm like, I'm here to deliver, you know, because of how I can take the pain. But then I don't think ndingazisa pha.
Like I feel like that pain is you self-inflict.
Self-inflict the pain yourself. Yes.
Okay, it's part of.
I have to because I've already. Or do you get me? But over then so njengona ke lutho yo. But so when ama results abantu guys you like yo akamhle. Ubona ama results uqomba uyababa lokhe. Qomba uyababa lokhe like nje if we're being honest ayababa lokhe like yo. But mina guys I would never. I don't even wanna lie. Even if I would wake up tomorrow kuthiwa ongezothatha na 100,000 hamba ngoku go fix your body uzobuya ubene le confidence oyifunayo I wouldn't go because of indlela endiligwala ngayo. I wouldn't. So nje lo mkhaba nje ngikhala mahala usazoba khona guys. Usazoba khona.
And I think also the fear comes with overthinking because now
we overthink it ne.
What if ndithi ndisalele pha and I don't wake
Vele
up?
ndif.
I overthink.
Now I'm an overthinker, guys. I'm like thinking. Now, guys, I overthink everything. I'm like, oh, Chikoma vela ndipanish. Yay!
Example
Another thing that always makes me scared. Guys, I've shared how I lost a nail here because of nails. Yeah. I permanently lost my nail because of nails because my body is so sensitive. So I always think if I lost a nail, such a simple thing, what could happen if I go under the knife? Yo, I'm not going to go and punish her. Jonga okanye kwenzeka into ezirongo ndikhumbule kwayile fupha uba le fupha beyingandenzi nikho
khona this other show kwi-TV i-botched body
ewe
what if something goes wrong? Okay.
Guys, you remember the show the botched body?
Okay.
I think now yandenza ndanefear okanye uthi ndithi ndiyolungisa amabele vele isilikoni
Me, I've watched too many of these shows. I don't think I've ever fixed my body.
I would never. as much as I complain every day about my nkaba, about how I want mommy body, don't if yabona makuyisurgery yona. I will never. Ngiyigwala, guys. Ngiyigwala. And it ends there. There's nothing else. Ngiyigwala. Because uyakwazi ukusave, to be honest. Uyayisavela la nto umane ubeka imali. Usavela uba uyolungisa. Mna andifuna uqala nto ethi ndizosave. I will come here complaining every day about ifupha yam until, but yeah, guys, we're done yapping. Let's continue. Let us continue with preparing because our bodies are stressed, but there's nothing we're gonna do about it. Too late, and having kids, it's an excuse for me. Yeah, for me, it's an excuse. At least I can say, I have 3 kids. What are you expecting? Ulindele ifika kanjani ngine ngane ezu-3. Ulindele amabele amile uzowaxoshani ngine ngane ezu-3. You know, so it's an excuse for me ukuthi, yeah. So unlike if I didn't have kids, then I was gonna be like, you know, but I have kids, so it's always an excuse. But guys, ngumama mna. So
indaba yamabela mina amabela anamathambo guys
amabela wona mathambo
at all please
but ke ukuthi nje siyakhala phela masibuka shame kwezinye ingane siyakhala qomba wasemhle but
xa semini ubona
xa seyincidile ihleli ilokho ithe mmanqa, you know, is guys. But it's fine. Ngeke size sibe bahle sonke, ngeke sibe ilenda sonke, ngeke sibe rich sonke, ngeke sishade sonke. I-life nje injalo at the end of the day. Ngeke sibe into efanayo. End of story. Close. Bye guys. Oh God. Guys, we did all this setup for my younger brother. He's not here. No, we are not laughing like laughing. Ne? As like guys, don't get us wrong. Ne? But as that choice because guys, my brother is still. What time is it? Actually, let me show you guys what time is it. Yeah, in front of us, bonnet and vlog. Can you guys see the time? Go there to 9. Askaki. We did the setup, some movie tafula la ngaphandle vele okay sharp lihlala the ivrand lihlala ngaphambili evrandini sharp sal over because we thought like okay this side looks better at night ne sharp. When we went to the mall guys emini besiyofuna izinto like smallanyana cake like besifuna ukumsurprise guys ne angathi kuyi-birthday yakhe since we said there's no money. The girlfriend went all out guys, akakabuya endlini. Hayi bengisa ngini-update ukuthi it's kuyobetha u-9 uMr Phatha akakafiki. I-effort zethu sigijimele sibona ixesha sithi masikhawuleze. Yo guys abafana, it's the fact that I have 3 boys, it shocks me all the time. The fact that God decided to give me 3 boys, it literally shocks me all the time. But nonetheless guys, this is the setup wethu. Akho nto itheni like akho nto itheni simthume i-ice akafiki ne-ice. But yeah, akusenani guys, akusenani.
1, 2, action. Action please. Happy to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Malume. Happy birthday to you. Una 1, Una 2, Una 10, Una 20, Una 30, Una 35. Malume. Oh, Una 35. Malume, if we may ask, how old are you, Malume?
Una 35. Una 35. Yeah.
Una 30. Nami maths andiyazi. Mara kodwa akawuchithanga 35.
Una 35.
Yo.
Una 1.
Black don't crack.
Huh?
Black doesn't crack. Una 35 akabonakala.
Oh, una 34.
Una 34.
Sesicula nge-enga kahle kahle.
Sicula nge-enga.
Malibele njani ikhekhe? Likhethwe yimanke.
Bendazi.
Kanti mawu
Bengazi ukuthi sizophikisana ukuthi ikhekhe likhethwe ubani.
likhethwe ubani ma ngoba likhethwe yimi
Okusala. Ewe.
Thank you. Lenyanga ingabe yimi.
Asiphakeni.
Very nice. Very nice.
Very nice. Finally, Mr. Potty is here, but he went to buy us ice. So yeah. Late anyways. Good morning, guys. I am a mess, I know, but guys, we're starting with the kitchen, so we need to move. We've started moving things. Yeah, you can pause. Anyway, I was saying we've started moving things to the veranda. It's like a balcony. But yeah, I'm a mess right now, but let's continue. Okay, that's me by the translator.
It's okay, but
Ngathatha i-microwave. The oven is having us. Empty. Kuzophela nini? Maybe 2 weeks.
2 weeks is too much.
Serious, like 1 week.
Yeah.
Okay, at least. Okay. At least there's progress. Good morning, guys. I just took my shower. I am waiting for the guys who are doing the kitchen to come wait the washing machine. I'm saying I'm waiting for the guys who are doing the kitchen to come. So I woke up early, took my shower, so that when they start being busy, because the thing is all over the place, even on the passage. So yeah, I don't want to be up and down trying to take a shower while there are people in the house. So I'm done. I'll show you this guys' dress that I'm wearing. Also, I think I'm losing weight. It's definitely not a planned weight, like I'm eating healthy diet. I'm done with that. But funny enough, I'm losing weight. I don't know how. I don't know. I'll show you guys. I think I'm losing weight, but I'm not complaining. But yeah, I just wanted to make that update before they come and start getting busy. So yeah. Guys, can you see? Also, this dress fits me surprisingly because it's such an old dress. Oh, son, I think I've had this dress since Tarfandin. So if this dress fits me, I think I'm losing weight. I think I'm losing weight, but yeah, let's wait for these people, guys. I will update you when they get in here. When they come, love it for me. Yabo ngimhle njani? Love. Nansi into engibhorayo ke mina. Yabona izibhetsheje lezi, they bore me so much, but guys, this is day 2. So yeah, at this point, ngivale umnyango. Lo mnyango lo ngathi bangawushintsha lo. This door, don't like it. But anyway, this is day 2. This kitchen is very small. It's tiny. It's so small. But anyway, this is where the dishwasher will be, and then this is the cupboard space, of course. At this point, I think, and then here, you guys are gonna a double door fridge, right? This side. Yeah, that's what they said, because of the way the double door fridge is gonna be on this side. And guys, this house is a mess. So I think it's better I show you guys when they're done, because and then this side, what is it called? Laundry room. Guys, yeah, no. Let me wait for them to finish, because we can't even make food. We live on takeaways and bread, and so, but anyway, yeah, I think it's gonna be nice. I think it'll be nice. I think it'll be nice. It's gonna be cute. Can't wait. Can't wait. My cooking segments are coming very soon. Should be. But I'm sure by Sunday, it's Tuesday today. By Sunday. Ne? Yeah. Anyway, bye guys. Hi guys. Hi. Let me lower the volume. I am watching this podcast. What is it called? Open Chat podcast. But guys, I'm thinking let me close off the vlog here. You know why? It's a mess in this house. Like, it is a mess. It's so messy. You can't clean because obviously cleaning doesn't make sense. Guess it ends. And siphila ngama takeaways. I'm hoping by Sunday or my next vlog everything will be done, and you know, I can just show you guys the kitchen. And yeah, right now my spirit is, because obviously guys go busy, kuyangxolwa, kuyadrilwa nje. We love having projects in our houses or anything eyenzakalayo ezokwenza indlu ibe nhle. It's nice and it's exciting. I'm happy for the kitchen because now I can go to the storage, get my smeg appliances, like everything, my blenders, my toasters, my everything. I can go get them. That's what we're gonna use. I can go get my glasses, you know, like there's things that I want to get for my kitchen, and just make the kitchen nice. And yeah, and just my life to go back to normal, like have a dishwasher, like put the dishes on the dishwasher, make a smoothie, you know. I miss those things. So I'm very happy. As much as it's a bit of a mess, obviously, and stuff like that, I'm happy that when it's done, my life can go back to normal in terms of having a kitchen. I really, really miss that. I think if there's one thing I love in a house, and I will make sure in my house one day, is that I have a beautiful, beautiful kitchen. I love a kitchen and a bathroom. Oh, those two things. Obviously, ikamera, guys, very standard, but you know, and I love those two places. Even all, guys, it's but it's not that bad. I don't know whether it's not that bad or I don't know, because baqale izolo, so I'm kind of used to this noise. Also, this valele kamereni. Also, the way this kit, the cupboards, right, as much as it's fagiwe, they just made the kitchen so small. And I'm thinking, I think I'm okay with having chest of drawers here, because once I'm wardrobe afaga, it's just gonna make this bedroom so small. Like, it's gonna be so tiny. Ndibona ngoku guys kwezi cupboard ezifakiweyo uba ikhishi lavele lacutheka. Yes, I know the kitchen was small, but it just became even more smaller now. But anyway, nonetheless, this is not my house. You know what? This is not my house. Ukuba kuyangam mna apha ekamereni lam, I will just have a chest of drawers so that I have space to move, because I feel like once kwafakwe wardrobes up, it's game over for this bedroom. Like, it's done. It's done. But anyway, let me not yap. I've been talking for 3 minutes, guys. Let me close off this vlog. I know we didn't do much. I promise on the next one we are gonna do much, and the kitchen will be done. I'll show you guys the final kitchen properly when everything is done. We're probably gonna do a lot of things on my next vlog. Right now, let's close this one here. I'll see you guys on my next one. I hope you guys didn't skip ads. One thing about you guys will skip ads, and I'm tired. I'm over it. I'm over asking people to skip. Please don't skip ads. Like, it's fine. It's okay. Those who don't, thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. God bless you. To those who skip as well, it's okay. Guys, people hate adverts. I hate adverts too. Like, I watch other YouTubers or whatever. I watch a whole lot of things apart from YouTube, on YouTube, movies and stuff like that. And there's nothing that frustrates me than a advert. So I get where you guys are coming from. And feel ukuthi, okay, nani nifila kanje, because I'm frustrated my adverts. Like, oh, they bore me so much. But I press my phone, I take my other phone, ndidlala igame. Ithi xa sebuyele le nto ndiyibukeleyo ndiphinde ndithathe ifowuni ndibeke ecaleni ndiconcentrate, kuphinde kuqale advert ndiphinde ndithathe ifowuni yam again. So that's what I do. I've just told myself ukuthi, you know what, if I'm gonna preach to people to watch my adverts, let me learn uba yintoni endizoyenza mna. Because mna, guys, I was on bendibhatala la premium ndiseno okuhle no Lubanzi, because bendingafuni uLubanzi when he's playing Cocomelon. Adverts are coming. So now that he's not here with me, then I stopped paying for it. Then ama adverts abuya ke ngoku. Yo, bored. bought Bodycal. But nonetheless, it's fine, guys. If you can, please don't skip the ads. If we are skip my ads. If you're not subscribed to my channel and you are watching, please make sure that you are subscribed. Subscription is free. You don't pay for anything. Another thing, I do have memberships, and I am going to start posting for my memberships, because I have people, when I started memberships or introduced memberships, I have people who never stopped paying, and they did tell me personally, inboxed me and said, no, don't worry, I'm just supporting you. It's no, because I said, guys, I don't have anything to post to my membership. I feel like memberships should be something interesting, something different from what I post on my normal channel, which is vlogs. I felt like I wanted to post something different, be it my dating life or whatever, you know, but that didn't happen. And I cancelled. I was like, guys, it's fine, you can stop paying. But some people actually didn't stop paying for the members, and they did say, well, don't stress it, Mom, I'm just supporting the channel. So I am at a space in like where I really do want post once in a while for my memberships. So you know, I'm not saying, guys, my memberships are back. I'm not saying please pay for the, I'm not saying that. I am saying I have people who still support my memberships regardless of me posting or not. Hence, I'm thinking it is unfair for them, even though they're not saying anything, they're not complaining, they're not bothered. It is unfair. I felt like it's unfair. Let me do. If I feel like there is something worth them having, I will do it. I will post for my members. Angifuni ke guys ukuthi mina ngithe I'm introducing memberships again on my channel. Cha, ngisho kanjalo. Ngasho ngathi ama memberships ngiwayekile, ngiphumile kuwona. But then again, for those people who are riding with me through and through, whether I'm posting or not, their money is taken out of their account to support my channel, then definitely I am gonna post for them, right? Sharp. Yeah, that's about it. I think I've addressed everything that I wanted to. The skipping of ads, I would love if all of you knew I was skipping my ads, but if we are born to it's okay. Yeah, and also please make sure that you are subscribed. I would love to see this channel really grow, and I am not going to do it alone. I'm very consistent. I make sure that every week we have a vlog, sometimes even twice. My consistency obviously needs you guys to help me to grow the channel by you guys sharing my channel, getting your friends and aunts and everyone in the family to subscribe. I cannot do it on my own. I can't do it on my own. I can be consistent on my own by posting, creating content, doing this, but growth on these platforms, you can't do it on your own. I need you guys to help me grow my channel. And this year, please guys, bese relaxed last year, this year we're not doing that. Training season by subscribing to my channel. Make sure that you are subscribed and right. Okay, this was supposed to be a very short yap, but it became very long because I think it's been things that I've been wanting to talk about, and guys, oh, actually I wanted to talk about this. But yeah, please, let's help this channel to grow this year and every other year. I'm not going anywhere on YouTube, but the slow growth here last year, I don't want it this year. So hence I'm asking you guys to please help me by sharing my channel, reposting, doing whatever that needs to be done so that we can grow. I'll do my parts. I need you, my City Mom gangs, to do your parts. Okay, kulungile, bye.
But coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you